better not fucking lie to me. Anybody home?
Mr. Smith, how are you doing? Hi, sir.
How you doing today, you fucking little bastard?
Doing good. So, why are you here?
Well, I went through my daughter's phone records on the fucking internet. Found out she's been sending you some naughty pictures.
Is that right?
Yeah.
No, sir. I would never do that with your daughter. I swear. Well, come to think of it, it looks pretty damn good to me.
Come on, you son of a bitch.
No! Mr. Smith, no, you don't gotta do this. Come on! I never touched her, sir.
Now tell me. Did you lie to me?
I swear I did not.
Don't you lie to me?
I did not touch your daughter. I swear.
Don't you lie to me,
Sir.
about fucking my daughter.
Dude. Sir, with all due respect, I would never touch your daughter, ever.
So you didn't fuck my daughter in my bed?
Did you say that? Whoa.
That's your warning shot.
Hey, I was just, man, I was just joking.
You sure?
I love you like a father. Please, just don't.
Apparently you don't. You
no,
fucked
no,
my own
really.
daughter in my bed. That'd be like fucking your sister.
No, sir. I swear.
If you see me as a father, that'd be like fucking your sister.
Sir, I'm really sorry. I would never. No, I would not. Ashby.
Are you gonna fuck my daughter again?
No, sir.
You sure? You piece of shit.
Oh.
Hope you're happy, keeper. You dirty slut.